Hello, my name is Christy Petrone. I am a secondary education school teacher. Today, we are going to be briefly discussing how to use Twitter in the classroom. The first step you want to take is to open a web browser. In this case, I will be using Google Chrome. Once you've opened your web browser, you want to go to the web address bar and type in twitter.com. This will then take you to the Twitter login page. On this page, you have two options. The first option, Get Started, can be selected if you do not already have an account set up. This will take you through a series of questions and also prompts that will allow you to establish an email or phone number and also a password that you can use as a login for Twitter. The second, if you already have a Twitter account set up, you may select the Login button. To log into Twitter, you may use your phone, email, or username, and also the password made up to enter your account. In the case of today, we'll be using an email address. Once you have signed in, it will take you to your home page. On the left-hand side, you will see the name of your handle, the number of tweets that you have sent out, your followers, and also suggested people to follow. On the right-hand side is what's known as your timeline. The timeline shows all tweets of people that you have chosen to follow and can also have some advertisements mixed in. When looking at a tweet, you can read tweets and you can also create tweets. In order to create a tweet, you can go up on the right-hand side where it says Tweet and select the button. In terms of a social studies classroom, something that I use to tweet about is an upcoming quiz, a test, or perhaps a homework assignment. So in this case, we'll say that the students have a homework assignment that is due on Friday. So we will put in homework assignment due Friday. And you can also list specifically what that homework assignment is. For example, say it is page 556 and they are to do numbers 1 through 10. Now, you can put as much as you would like inside of a single tweet. This button on the bottom right-hand side here shows you how many characters you have left in your tweet. Once the blue bar completely fills out the circle, you are out of characters. However, as you can see, we meet the minimum requirements, so you can come down here and select the tweet button. This will then send out this tweet to all of those students that are following your class. Now, if you are reading a tweet on your newsline, there are numerous symbols that you should be familiar with. On the bottom of every tweet, there are 4 symbols. This first symbol is where you can comment. Any thoughts you have about the tweet, you may select this button, and a box will pop up where you can directly reply to this post. The second is a retweet. Maybe you really like someone else's tweet and you would like your followers to see this as well. Maybe you are doing a chapter on the government and you are staying up on current events, so you see a really great senator that put out a very pertinent post. Or perhaps the president has sent out a tweet that you would like to discuss during your current events. By selecting the retweet button, you can tweet this out to all of your followers in the classroom. On the right-hand side, next to the retweet button, is the like button. This is where you press if you love or really like what a person said in their tweet. It lets you, by selecting the button, like their post. The last one on the far right is a direct message. This message will not be shown to the rest of the Twitter followers. Instead, it will be directly sent to the person who created this tweet. In the classroom, there are a number of ways that you can use Twitter, whether it is simply sending out a tweet, retweeting an important figure's tweet for you to share in the class, or to send out information and homework assignments to the students. Twitter is a quick and easy way that you can not only reach your students on the internet, but also on their smartphones as well.